Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my demonstration of the QuizVerse app. First, we will be using it as a user. I'll be logging into my account of Amazon 4. And now, as we've logged in, we can see the dashboard. That is something we're currently seeing. This is the list of quizzes. Here we can search either by the title or by the code. For example, if I want to search the quiz, how well do you know Mariam? And I just search with Mariam, you can see that. However, I can use the code as well. The code can be pasted here and I can search for it using that code. There's to show. That's to show. Now I can adjust it and see according to by the title or by the date created. I can create my own quiz. I'll get to that. For now, I want to take a quiz. For that, I will have the option to open a quiz and then I can submit a quiz. After this, I can leave feedback such as very interesting quiz. Here I can submit my feedback. Now I can see the leaderboard. Now I can report the quiz as well and I can take the quiz again. Now with the leaderboard I can see where I rank amongst everyone else, and currently there have been so many attempts recently. And coming back to my quizzes, these are the quizzes that I have created. My lobbies are lobbies that I have hosted. Bookmarked quizzes are quizzes that I saved so that I can view them later. The profile is my own profile. Everything here can be changed. For example, my display name from 42 all the way to Nintendo. And I can even change my profile picture. For my role currently is as a user. I'm not an admin here. I will show you the admin user interface as well in a second. Now these are my bookmark quizzes. I have seen that. Now I need to create a quiz. For example, if I were to create a quiz, demo quiz, and I give a description for the video, and I can set a time limit. For example, I want it to be really short, so I'll keep it at 2 minutes. Sorry. The first question could be simply, for the sake of getting this over with rather quickly, I will just use A as the correct option, and B as just a supplementary option. Now I can add another question. I can even remove a question. I can then create this quiz, and once this quiz has been created, I can go on to even edit the quiz. Now, for example, this was the quiz title, and I wanted to change it a bit, Demo Quiz 2, and I wanted to add another question, the question being 2, and then again the options being A, B, C. This time we won't get the D, and we still choose A as the correct options, and then we can update the quiz with this as well. Now we can wait for it to load. Now we can ourselves take the quiz as well, just as a means of testing it. I will do it right now. The time is still remaining. Now I can view the leaderboard, and currently, because I was the only one that attempted it, I scored the highest and show up at the top of the leaderboard. If someone else were to attempt it, they will show up in the leaderboard as well. In fact, I will show you that in a second. By logging in with my second account. The first one was Nintendo. This one is A underscore H. That just is an option that I took. Now I will take this quiz and I will purposefully mark it wrong in one so that I do not compete for the first spot. Here, because if they were, this helps show that the ordering is done by the score itself. So my second attempt, though although newer, is ranked second. And here I can have the ability to report the quiz, anything reason 1. And then I submitted the report. Now the person that has actually, yeah, I double pressed it, that's why I showed that. Now the person that actually created the quiz can go and see that report as well. For example, if I were to go back to my original account, I would go here and I will log in. And with this, I can go to my quizzes. Here is the demo quiz. Here I can see feedback, and moving on, I can then I can also oh yeah, I can also delete my own quizzes. For example, this is a quiz I do not want to keep. I can then delete it. Now, moving on to accessing Quizverse as an admin. With the admin portal being different from the user portal, you have to log in as an admin. Now, the admin has the opportunity to manage users. You can convert users from admins to users and from users back to admins. The reason for this is if we want to promote a user into an admin, that can be done so as well. Some user accounts can be deleted easily. Some users can be uh, reports can be seen of quizzes. In fact, some quizzes can be hidden and unhidden for being used later, and some users can even be banned for a while. Now, this wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching, and we will likely show all of this in the demo as well. We're looking forward to it, in fact. Allah Hafiz.